Welcome to ExamPadi. Our topic today is wood processing. At the end of this lesson, you would have learned to 1. Describe the stages involved in wood processing, that is timber. Number 2, you'll be able to explain the types of wood preservatives. Number 3, you'll be able to explain the different methods of applying wood preservatives. And lastly, you will be able to list the different examples of common wood defects. But first, what do we mean by production of wood? Wood gotten from trees must pass through processing stages before it becomes useful for domestic and industrial purposes. Production of wood involves the following stages. Number 1, timber growth. Number 2, wood felling. Number 3, wood conversion. Number 4, wood seasoning. And lastly, wood preservation. But first, we're going to talk about timber growth. Timber is used for various domestic and industrial woodwork. Timber is obtained from trees, especially the trunks and branches. Trees that provide timber are usually trees with big trunk. And the rainforest vegetation grows these trees in the southern part of Nigeria. Common examples of such trees are omo, iroko, oak, obeche, teak, and so on. Number 2, we have wood felling. The felling of timber for use can be done broadly in 2 areas. The first one is the free area. This is owned by individuals, and the amount of money paid to the government by the timber contractors for permission to cut down any tree for a commercial purpose is called tariff. The second area is called the forest reserve area. This is owned by government, and the amount of money paid for timber to be cut in forest reserved areas depends on the tree volume. Hence, it is termed OTV, that is, out-turn volume. The log of wood obtained from the forest can be transported to the sawmill for conversion. Now, what do we mean by wood conversion? Wood conversion is the process of sawing logs of wood into commercial or marketable sizes. The popular method of wood conversion are the plain sawn method and the quarter sawn method. The plain sawn method is also known as the true and true method. Here, the planks are sawn plank after plank without paying attention to the rails. The method is simple, quick, and cheap. And then we have the quarter sawn method. This method is the method of sawing a log of wood into planks by cutting along the rays of the wood. In quarter sawn method, planks are cut at a right angle to the growth rings. The planks produced by this method have fine figures. We have come to the end of the first part of this lesson. We will continue in the next video. Bye.